Hello friends, once again welcome to the channel. This is Arun here. Today we're gonna discuss about the topic percentages. This is one of the important topics, as we know from the quantitative aptitude section. For all the competitive examinations, questions will be there related to this topic, percentages. Okay, we can. What do you mean by percentages? Percent means per 100, and convert percent to fraction and convert fraction to percent. We can check what is convert percent to fraction. X percentage is equal to x by 100. Example, 25 percentage is equal to 25 by 100 is equal to 1 by 4. So we converted that to fraction. Then convert fraction to percentages. See, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 can be converted to percentages. That is 1 by 4 into 100 is equal to 25. So when a number is increased or decreased by a certain percentage, what is a new number? If example, if x is increased by y percentage, then new number can be calculated. The new number can be calculated by using x into 100 plus y by 100. And if x into 100 plus y by 100, and if x is decreased by y percentage, then new number equal to x into 100 minus y by 100. So we can see the examples. For example, if 150 is increased by 10 percentage, what is the new number? New number equal to 150 into, as it is increasing 10 percentage, 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. 150 into 110 by 100. 110 divided by 100 is equal to 165. And if 150 is decreased by 10 percentage, then new number is equal to 150 into 100 minus 10 is equal to 90 divided by 100 is equal to 135. Equal to 135. Then percentage increase or decrease. If the price of a commodity is increases by X percentage, then reduction in consumption so as not to increase the expenditure can be calculated using x into 100 by 100 plus x percentage. For example, the price of a commodity, for example sugar, the sugar price increases by 5 percentage. For example, 1 kg of sugar cost 40 rupees. Suppose if it is 40 rupees, and if the price is increases, which means with the same 40 rupees we can't purchase 1 kg of sugar, so we have to reduce the quantity that we are purchasing. If we have 40 rupees with us, so if the price is increased by 5 percentage, which means for 40 rupees we won't get 1 kg of sugar, so we have to reduce the consumption or reduce the quantity that we are going to purchase. So how can you calculate that reduction in consumption or reduction in the quantity? Can be calculated using x into 100 by 100 plus x percentage. Here 5 into 100 by 100 plus x percentage, that is 5 into 100 by 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. So 500 by 105 percentage. So this way we can calculate this type of problems. We can calculate using this equation. And same way, if the price of a commodity decreases by x percentage, then increase in consumption so as not to decrease the expenditure. For example, if the sugar price decreases by 5 percentage, then for the same 40 rupees we can purchase more than 1 kg, right? So we have to increase the consumption, increase the quantity. How much quantity we have to increase, that can be calculated using this equation, x into 100 by 100 minus x percentage. For example, if 5 percentage, the sugar price is decreased by 5 percentage, what is the increase in consumption? So as not to decrease the expenditure, otherwise expenditure will be decreased. So in order not to increase the consumption, we have, in order not to decrease the expenditure, we have to increase the consumption. So 5 into 100 by 100 minus 5, that is equal to 95 percentage. Okay, so percentage increase or decrease can be calculated using this equation. Then results on population. If the problems related to populations, we can use these two results. Let the population of a town be P now, and suppose if it is increases at the rate of R percentage per annum, then population after n years can be calculated p into 1 plus r by 100 the whole power n, and population n years ago is equal to p into 1 p divided by 1 plus r by 100 the whole power n. So population after n years and population n years ago or n years before we can calculate it using these two results. And results on depreciation when it comes to machines, the present, suppose if the present value of a machine be p, if it depreciates or decreases at the rate of r percentage per annum, then value of the machine after n years and value of the machine n years ago can be calculated using these two equations. P into 1 minus r by 100 the whole power n, that is value of the machine after n years, and value of machine n years ago is p divided by 1 minus r by 100 the whole power n. And another two shortcuts or important results are, if A is r percentage more than B, then B is less than A by r into 100 by 100 plus r percentage. R into 100 by 100 plus r percentage. For example, if A is 5 percentage more than B, then B is less than A by 5 into 100 by 100 plus 5 percentage. If A is r percentage less than B, so this is next percentage increase decrease. If a number is increased by x percentage, then again increase by y percentage, that net increase in the number is x plus y plus xy by 100. Actually this if it is increasing, we have to give the sign plus. If it is decreasing, we have to give x as negative. So look at that. In the above equation, if it decrease by x percentage and y percentage, then use a negative sign. If we get then for the whole expression, if we are getting a negative value, which means there is a net decrease. So we can see the examples. If a number is increased by 10 percentage and then again increased by 20 percentage, then net increase. As both are increasing, we have to give plus signs, plus 10 and plus 20. So plus 10 plus 20 and 20 into plus 20 into plus 10 is equal to 32 percentage, divided by 100 is equal to 32 percentage. If a number is decreased by minus 10 percentage and then again decreased by 20, which means both the numbers are minus here, we have to give both signs minus. So minus 10 minus 20 plus minus 10 into minus 20, so minus into minus becomes plus, is equal to minus 28. So we got minus 28, which means this is a net result is a decrease. And if a number is increased by 10 percentage, then decreased by 20 percentage, first increase then decrease. So first is plus 10 and second is minus 20. So we have to give net increase or decrease, we are going to calculate. So plus 10 minus 20 plus 10 into plus 10 into minus 20, plus into minus, we'll get minus here. So the final value we got minus 12 percentage, which means this is a decrease, net decrease of 12 percentage. And if a number is increased by 20 percentage, 120 is again only 120 is there, that is printing mistake, 20 percentage and then decreased by 10 percentage. So first increase then decrease, so plus 20 minus 10, finally we will get 8 percentage plus, which means it is an increase. Okay, first question, 1500 is increased by 20 percentage, find the final number. Okay, 1500 is increased by, which means 1500 into, as it is increasing, 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. So 1500 into 120 by 100 is equal to 1800 will be the answer. So we can use the equation x into 100 plus y by 100. A number when increased by 25 percentage becomes 150. Find the original number. So we can take the original number as n. N is increased by 25 means n plus 25 percentage of n is equal to 150, and find the value of n. It's equal to 125 percentage, that is n plus 25 percentage means 125 percentage of n, or 125 by 100 of n is equal to 150. Is equal to 150. So n equal to 120. n equal to 120. Yes, answer is C. So this is the equation that we can use. Okay, next question. In an election between A and B, A wins by the margin of 240 votes. If A gets 60% of the total votes, then the total votes are. We have to find out the total votes. We know that the winning margin is 240 votes. A gets 240 more votes more than B. And it is given that A gets 60% of the votes and B gets 40%, right? Okay, as A gets 60%, B got 40%. Look at the difference is 20% of the votes between A and B. That 20% of the vote is nothing but the winning margin, the winning votes, right? So which means 20% of the total votes is equal to 20% of the total votes is equal to 240. That is the winning votes of A is equal to 240. So 20% of TV which stands for total votes. So total votes is equal to 240 into 100 by 20. 240 into 100 by 20, which is equal to 1200, 1200. Yes, option B is the right answer here. Okay, next question. A student has to secure 40% marks in an examination to qualify. He gets 120 marks and fails by 80 marks. The maximum marks are. So passing mark is 120 plus 80. That is the passing mark because he scored 120 marks and fails by 80 marks means passing mark is 120 plus 80 is equal to 200 marks. So it's equal to 200 marks. Yes, 200 marks is 40%. Pass mark is the 40% of the total marks. So 40% of total marks is equal to pass mark, which is equal to 200. It is we got it from the given data. So 40% of total marks. TM means total marks is equal to 200. So what is total marks? What is total? So total marks is equal to 200 into 100 by 40. It's equal to 200. Yes, 200 into 100 by 40. It's equal to 500 marks. Yes, 500 is the total marks. Okay, next question. If A is X percentage of Y and B is Y percentage of X, then which of the following is true? A is X percentage of Y. So X by 100 into Y is equal to A. Is equal to XY by 100. And B is Y percentage of X. So B equal to Y by 100 of X. Y by 100 of X is equal to YX by 100 is equal to XY by 100. Okay, so we can get A equal to XY by 100 and B equal to XY by 100, which means A equal to B, right? So A equal to B, but the options which are given, that option is not there. A is more than B, relationship between A and cannot be determined, no. So all the four options are not matching, so answer is none of the above. A equal to B is the answer, right answer. And two numbers A and B are such that the sum of 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of the sum of 6% of A and 8% of B. Find the ratio of A is to B. Okay, so sum of 5% of A and 4% of B is 2/3 of the sum of 6% of A and 8% of B. So 5% A plus 5% of A plus 4% of B is equal to 2/3, which means 2 by 3 of 6% of A plus 8% of B. 8% of B. So we can take this 3, cross multiply this 3 into 5% of A plus 4% of B. So we can multiply that, take the cross multiplication. So 5% of A plus 4% of B. 5% of A plus 4% of B into 3. The 3 came from the right side, right? Cross multiplication is equal to 2 into 6% of A plus 8% of B. 8% of B. Yes. So now we can multiply 3 into 5 is equal to 15% of A plus 4 into 3 12% of B is equal to, again 6 into 12 right side, 6 into 2 12% A plus 2 into 8 16% of B. Okay, so now we can take this A to the left side and B to right side. 15 minus 12, 15% of A minus 12% of A is equal to 3% of A, which is equal to, then 16% B minus 12% B is equal to 4% B. 4% of B. Yes, so A by B equal to 4 by 3. A by B equal to 4 by 3. So answer is option B. Okay. Next question. A student got 42% marks and has secured 12 marks more than the minimum passing marks. Another student got 45% mark, has obtained 30 marks more than the minimum passing marks. So what are the maximum mark? We have to find out the total marks or the maximum mark. So if first student got 42% mark, which was 12 marks more than the minimum passing mark. Another student got 45% and secured 30 marks more than the minimum passing mark. So we can calculate the difference in their percentages. Look at that. The difference in the percentage is 45 minus 42, 3% difference in the marks. The percentage of the marks differ by both the students. It is 3%, right? 3%, and difference is 3% of the total marks is equal to, what is the difference in marks? 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. So 3% of the total marks is equal to 30 minus 12 is equal to 18 marks. So 3% of total marks is equal to 18. So what is the total marks? We can calculate total marks from here, right? Total marks is equal to 18 into 100. 18 into 100 by 3 is equal to 600 marks, right? 18 into 100 by 3 is equal to 600 marks. So answer is option C, 600 marks. Yeah, okay, answer 600. So for here we have we calculate the difference in marks, that is 45 minus 42 is 3% of the total marks. Difference in marks is the of the total marks is equal to 30 minus 12. So the difference between the marks what they scored, both the students, that we calculated, that is nothing but 3% of the total mark is equal to 3% is equal to 18, which means what is the total marks? 3% means 3% of the total marks. Next, a person saves 10% of his income. If his income is increased by 20% and he saves 15% of the new income, by what percentage his savings will increase? Percentage 10% of his income. If his income is increased by 20% and he saves 15% of the new income, what is his savings? So we can take this previous income, we can take it as 100 rupees. So previous savings is 10% is saved, which means 10 rupees. 10 percentage of 100 is 10 rupees. And income is increased 20 percentage, which means 120. New income becomes 120. Increase in savings is 15 percentage of the new income, that is 15 percentage of 120 is equal to 18. Therefore increase in savings equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. 8 rupees is saved. So percentage increase my is equal increase is equal to increase in savings, that is 8 by previous savings into 100. New savings by previous savings into 100.